Hi guys, this is Jay. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to know the processor and the installed memory in your computer, specifically Windows 7. So let's right click the computer icon, then click properties. Then here you can see what kind of processor in your PC. So it's indicated here that it is AMD Athlon 2 X3 440 processor, 3 GHz, and its installed memory is 8 GB. So I hope this video will help you, and if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and please click the notification bell in order for you to be notified once I uploaded a video. So that's all. Bye. Thank you for watching.